my fellow Americans, ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country.
And we shall overcome.
Impromptu celebrations erupted outside the White House.
The very word secrecy is repugnant in a free and open society. And we are, as a people, inherently and historically opposed to secret societies, to secret oaths, and to secret proceedings. For we are opposed around the world by a monolithic and ruthless conspiracy that relies primarily on covert means for expanding its sphere of influence.
They want to talk about conspiracies around here. What's up, family? Salute everybody, man. Much love and respect. Hey, man. We trying something different. We having a few different shows where we're gonna have premieres and those type of things going on. You know what I'm saying? So right now, man, we gotta react right to Young Thug, right? K55, and y'all know I'm from Georgia. I'm from Georgia. You feel me? So hey, it is what it is. And so I have to jump into it because as a taxpayer in the state of Georgia, this is the longest, most expensive case that's ever gone on in Georgia history. And we not even halfway through, according to the witnesses, the prosecution on the brink. Listen, I'm gonna react to this, but first things first. Y'all hit the like button, man. Hit the like button. Sub to the channel, man. Sub to the channel, y'all feel me? Hit the cash app. Hit the cash app. Y'all know I ain't really worried about the money like that. That ain't my thing. But hey, if y'all want to support the channel, we always want support. We always want the support of the people. We want the support of the people, right? And so, yeah. If y'all want to hit the, y'all want to hit the cash app, we'll put it out there for y'all. If I can figure out how to do it, there you go, right there. There you go. Look at this. Courtesy of one of the greats. I always, and I keep telling y'all, I gotta give a credit where credit is due. That's what gotta happen. So let me do this right here. Here we go. Y'all see that? Sub to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Okay? Y'all make sure y'all sub to the channel, man, because we need all the subs we can get. Y'all hit the cash app, right? Y'all hit the cash app. We need the support. And we're going to be addressing a lot of different things. We're going to be talking boxing. We're going to be talking, we're going to be talking all of it. Hit me up if anything you want me to talk about. They go to email address right there. They go to email address. So all I'm saying, hey, listen, we're going to be accessible to the people. But listen, all right, here we go. I got to get into this. And the YSL Young Thug case, I'm just going to be honest about it. Let me just be honest about it. This ain't no damn conspiracy. It's no RICO going on here. It's a bunch of niggas. That's it. It's a bunch of niggas. You got one nigga who was able to become a rapper and get away from the other niggas out there. These are niggas that we all grew up with, right? There ain't no damn conspiracy going on. It's niggas doing what niggas do. That's it. That's what's going on in this whole case. I'm watching this and I'm sitting here like, and I'm gonna get into some of the testimony today. Well, not from today. I'm behind on the case. I've been going through watching the case and trying to catch the most interesting testimony. I want to bring Tick/Slug. We're gonna react to his testimony as well. We're gonna react to DK. What's his name? Walter Murphy. We're gonna react to his testimony as well. But I'm just looking at this right now, and I'm like, bro, this ain't no damn conspiracy. They not, man, damn the game. These niggas came from the hood. It is what it is. They came from the hood. If you grew up in the hood, if you know anything about the hood, one thing you know is that shit, every man for himself at some point in time. That's it. That's it. Hey, I played basketball, right? The real hood niggas, the big homies out there, they pushed my ass and said, no, keep your ass on the basketball court. That's what they told me. That's how I came up. That's a fact. They wouldn't, anytime I thought of doing anything that was out of order. Hey, they might drink with me, they might, outside of that, if I'm out of order, get what they gonna do? They gonna keep me in order and be like, nah, bro. This ain't nothing what you dealing with right here, man. Going to play basketball, bro. You a basketball player. Yes, I am. I'm an athlete. You're absolutely correct about that, sir. This is me as a kid, right? But the same folks, and it's interesting because, you know, Thug a little younger than me. I'm an 88 baby. A lot of them, they were born in like 91, so it really ain't that big of an age difference. So, but at the same time, if you listen to them talk, a lot of them, when they talk about it, what they say, man, a lot of them dudes was, man, they was the older guys. Like, we really didn't hang with them like that. No, you don't really hang with the older guys. And the older guys know they don't need to be hanging with you. And what they're going to do, they're going to be like, bro, get away from that, man. Keep doing what you're doing. Do something positive. They want to give you that positive message. That's how the hood moves. You feel me? So, but it's interesting to listen to the testimony, and we got to get into it. So now we got one of the young ladies who I believe the state brought him on to testify that Young Thug, his brother, and DK broke into the house, and the brother put 9mm to the back of her head. And but then it was the baby daddy friend. I mean, the baby daddy was hanging with them. Her baby daddy, they were selling drugs at the house. I don't know what happened, man. I don't know what none of this shit. Listen. We talking about. Oh man, I hate to say this. We talking about niggas, man. These hood niggas. We dealing with hood niggas, real niggas, bro. Like, man, they don't even feel like being there. They ain't trying to talk about it. And that's what we finna see right here. I want to play this because the state wasting the people's time. Let's get into this testimony, man. Let me see if I can bring it up and do it the right way. Y'all know I'm not an expert at this, but I try my best. All right, here we go. Oh, shit, I done fought some more. Here we go. Here. All right, there we go. Nope, that ain't what we're supposed to be. That's the wrong one. Let's bring that back. We don't get rid of that. Not what we're supposed to be sharing. Let's present again. Stop. I always tell y'all, I ain't the smart. Here we go. I think this is it right here. Here we go. All right. We're going to turn the music down just a tad bit right now, and we're going to react to this testimony. This is some fantastic testimony. This is hilarious to me. Here we go. I don't own the rights to these videos. This is for This is for education purposes only. You know what I'm saying? And we just trying to make sure that we show what's going on in the legal system. We want to be calling the legal system out accordingly because it seemed like it's some buffoonery going on. Let's see what we get right here. Let's listen. And if y'all don't know, this is Thug's second attorney. Everybody know Brian Steele, but this is Thug, his second attorney right here. Let's see if we can get the audio.
And you district attorney's office, is that text messaging?
All right, here we go. We got the audio going.
Questions.
All right, here we go.
Questions, and you've been shown text messages between you and various members of the district.
Now, mind you, I want to make sure he's talking to an individual that Thug did songs with She claimed that I guess Thug them robbed her, but then they paid the money back. But then there was a shooting, but then there wasn't no. Oh man, I don't know. Hood nigga shit, man. Just niggas, bro. It's a bunch of niggas, and my whole problem with this shit is stop claiming damn conspiracy. This ain't no damn conspiracy. It's just a bunch of niggas out here being exactly what we is, niggas. That's it. That's all it is. It ain't nothing else outside of that. It's a bunch of niggas being niggas. And for them to be trying to make this seem like it's some monster case, no. You got a lot of niggas who grew up in the hood, robbing, stealing. Man, this is what they grew up doing anyways. That don't mean because they all got together and called themselves a gang. That man, free Thug, man. I don't know about nobody else, but free Thug. Look, Thug is the one person who is continuously saying he the one person who got mad at everybody who was committing crimes. he the only person who is out here saying who the people out here saying, well, he didn't want me doing that shit, but shit, man. Even though I don't want you doing it, man, you from the fucking hood. Bro, it's hood nigga activity. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know, man. Like this conspiracy shit it's out of order, man. They out of order with this shit. Let's go.
District Attorney's Office. Is that true?
Yes.
And you recognize some of those text messages that you were shown, correct?
Yes.
We're gonna speed it up. Let me make sure I can speed it up accordingly because we can't at this rate. We'll be here all night. Let's see if we can get the playback speed. Here we go. We're gonna do it at 1.5. Let's see how it goes.
In fact, I'm going to draw your attention to just a couple of them and ask you about those text messages and your testimony. Okay.
Okay. He asked about the text message and the testimony. Where we going?
Okay. I'm going to start. Ms. Knight, if you'd be kind enough to put up what's been marked as State's Exhibit 35A, Alpha, Alpha, Bravo.
It's not on top of it, but you had it in your hands.
All right, tell you what, may I approach the witness, Judge?
You may, sir.
All right, thank you. I'm going to show you their attention, right? 35 Alpha, Alpha, Bravo.
So you approaching the
Stand
witness.
next to the witness and draw her attention to.
Yes, sir, you may.
All right.
He asked him about the text messages from the district
All right.
attorney.
Would you agree that these are the text messages that purport to be between you and Madam Prosecutor, Ms. Love?
Yeah.
Okay. And then
Her and the district attorney.
To one text message in particular, which was dated November 26th of 2000.
My bad, man. Hold on, my bad. All type of man. See. This way, even though this is a recording, I ain't even gonna stop. I ain't finna stop. I'm gonna keep going. But man, all type of crazy shit happen when you damn trying to live stream on these Indeed days. All right, here we go. We coming back. What we got right now, I just want to make sure y'all understand what we're talking about. The district attorney have been schmoozing and trying to coerce this young lady's testimony. And then outside of just that, you got a nigga who is a quote unquote investigator who trying to take a he said damn the testimony. What you trying to do? I take you to Red Lobster. I take that nigga said he going to Red Lobster out there. My God, this is what we got going on right now. Y'all understand this? This is ridiculous. Let's keep it going. We're gonna keep it going. We're gonna bring it back. I hope the audio is good. My bad, man. Once again, hey, you hit the wrong button on damn record. You end up all over the place. But we're gonna keep cooking. We're gonna keep cooking. I want to make sure we get this in the right way. All right, here we go.
You boys are having a wonderful day.
Yes.
Talk about, and Ms. Love at that time went on to talk to you about how you were a, quote, wonderful mom to those 3 boys, in case no one else tells you that this year. Remember when she was talking to you in that fashion?
Yes.
Okay. And you remember her telling you those things as she was talking to you about being a witness for the state in this case, right?
Yes.
That was about January. Is that correct?
Yes.
Now.
Uh-oh.
You remember that
Now y'all, now y'all see Ms. Love, the DA, she buttering her up. She buttering her up because she wanted to testify. That's why. Watch what
same
happened.
time around New Year's where Ms. Love talked to you about wanted to talk to you sometime this week and that she could come by to you. You remember that?
Yes.
All right. Remember there was a conversation about her having some peas and leftover greens from New Year's and all that. She was talking to you about, about coming by and talking to you and being friendly with you and that sort of thing, right?
Yes.
Not the peas and leftover greens. Now you know, and when he say peas, he mean black-eyed peas. I don't know if y'all know, but black folk, you gotta cook your greens. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have your black-eyed peas. You know what I'm saying? For New Year. That's why she was talking about it. Country niggas. That's it. This is what I'm trying to tell you. This just shit. This is country shit. It ain't no damn RICO going on. It's country niggas being country niggas. That's it, man. Like, I don't understand none of this. This is ridiculous. And you could tell, look, that's how you know it's true. Because DA Love, she country to the motherfucker. How you know? Because what she offering? Collard greens and black-eyed peas. Yeah, break a little cornbread with it. Yeah. I ain't got no problem. I'm going to eat it. I ain't got no problem with it. I love that. Probably got some pig feet too. She probably got some pig feet. I'm from the country. I'm out of order, man. Let's keep going.
Okay. You remember Ms. Love telling you that she wanted to talk to you about questions she anticipated the defense would ask you, try to get out of you, how you should view those questions. You remember that being said in those text messages?
Yes.
All right. And in fact, in those text messages, she kept telling you that she wanted to make it comfortable for you, right?
Yes.
She told you that, didn't she?
Yes.
In fact, she said that she wanted to talk to you. She would make it really brief. She wanted the jury, or I want the jury to see the person I met the other day. She's a wonderful person, and I need them to know it. You remember when she was talking to you like that?
Yes.
Okay. And after a while, those conversations and the temperature of those conversations changed.
All right. Now we got to talk about this because what's coming up. Did you all hear what he just said? This is how she was talking to you, right? You're such a great person. I want you, hey, I want the jury to see you for the person that you are, right? This is what A.D. Love is saying to this witness. A witness, mind you, who's supposedly a victim, supposedly. According to her, back in the day, Thug, and she said it was his brother. It later came out to find out it was Buck. I don't even know who Buck is. And it was DK. They supposedly, even though Thug was recording with her baby daddy, you know what I'm saying, working with him, I don't know how none of that worked. I don't know. But that was supposedly going on. Thug came in, him, Buck. We done heard it was either his brother or Buck, and DK stole $4,000, her cell phone, a gun from her, maybe another $100 that was somewhere laying around. While she had the baby and they're trying to breastfeed, I guess. I don't know what's going on. Well, the prosecution said that she was trying to get a bottle. She said that don't even make sense. I breastfed the whole time. I don't know if she was breastfeeding and trying to get a bottle. Maybe the baby had to eat. I ain't mad at the baby. Shout out to him for trying to get his grub on. But these are the conditions that we're talking about. Oh, is this really a conspiracy? Is this really some huge enterprise? No, it's not. It's so crazy because if they're charging Thug with this whole RICO shit, why they not charging If Gang? Why they not charging it? Well, they are charging Melly. They are charging Melly. they got Melly. They said he had bodies riding around in the damn car. I said, what the hell is going on with that? We're going to address that one day, too. We're going to address that. But I don't know nothing about that. All I'm saying is I don't understand how it works. I don't understand it. You feel me? So, but let's keep going here. Let's keep going. I'm listening to what she's talking about. She cooking. But it just seemed like at this current moment in time, it seemed like the villain is AD Love, the one who get up there and just ramble and talk and be wasting everybody's time. She seemed to be the. If I was the jury, I'm just gonna tell y'all. Every time I see AD Love get up there talking, I wish I would have tomatoes. Throwing tomatoes at her. You feel? Throwing tomatoes. Get off the stand and shut the hell up, lady. You've been talking too damn much. Let's keep going. I'm out of order, man. Y'all know I started talking. Y'all know.
Hey, didn't it?
Yes.
And let's see, that last message that we just talked about where she wanted the jury to see the person she met and what a wonderful person you were, that was about somewhere in early January, isn't that right?
Yes.
Now, soon after that, and then we are in April the 8th, isn't that right? That's today's date, correct?
Yes.
All right. Is it fair to say that soon after January, you weren't having a whole lot more conversations with the assistant district attorney, Ms. Love?
Yes.
You kind of stopped responding to a lot of her text messages, isn't that right?
Yes. And she kind of like stopped texting for a while.
You were at some point beginning to feel as though you were being harassed by the district attorney's office.
Yes.
In fact, in conversations with whether it was an assistant district attorney or an investigator, they would ask you questions about 2013, right?
Yes.
You would continuously tell them, look, I don't remember, or I don't know, I don't have nothing to say about that. Is that true?
Yes.
Nonetheless, they kept asking you questions and telling you that they wanted you to come in and testify, right?
Yes.
Is it fair to say that most of their questions, everything that was asked about you,
Yeah.
was what you could say about Jeffrey Williams?
Can you repeat it?
Is that what they were asking? Were they trying to see what it is they could get you to say about Jeffrey Williams?
Yes.
With Ms. Knight's assistance.
So we just heard right there. We just heard a witness that the state. Now y'all got to remember who put this witness on the stand. The state put this witness on the stand, right? And this is the worst part about this whole fucking trial. It's a waste of fucking time. The state keep putting folks on the damn stand. They're saying, man, regardless of look, yeah, they committed crimes and they done been given plea deals and shit just to say it was in furtherance of a game. Nigga, thug didn't have nothing to do with none of this shit. It had nothing to do with any of it. Nothing. And they're literally putting people on the stand who understand that, look, man, hey, and like I keep it's just a bunch of niggas, bro. Like, listen, when you come up in and I think Brian Steele them, they did a great job at opening and as far as breaking it down, that when you come up in impoverished communities, you feel me? Nigga, hey, I'm listen, these are my friends. Yes, they are my friends. At the same time, do I agree with what they do all the time? No, I do not. Now, have I been around them doing some bullshit too? Yes, I have. Is this a fucking conspiracy? No, this ain't no fucking conspiracy. Stop it. This is ridiculous. This RICO case is ridiculous. This is the state of Georgia wasting, or excuse me, not the state of Georgia. Let me rephrase that. I apologize. Fulton County wasting taxpayer monies, taxpayer dollars, the jury's time, the people's time. I mean, my God, this is ridiculous. Y'all can't tell me this ain't ridiculous. Okay, let's keep going. I want to keep hearing what they're talking about. This is my God. Let's listen. Let's keep going. Here we go. I'm out of order. Y'all know I get long-winded, but that's why I got a channel so I can be long-winded sometimes. I like that.
Absolutely, never mind. First witness again, Judge.
You may, sir.
Thank you. Stage 33, Alpha. Let's see. In addition to Ms. Love, you were also talking to other investigators in the office, correct?
Yes.
Talk to Investigator Long, right?
Yes.
And talk to Investigator Hamilton.
Yes.
Get Hamilton in a while, but there was a conversation that you had with an investigator somewhere around February, right? So now we're jumping from January when you're talking to Ms. Love to February where you're talking to an investigator. And at some point you sent a text message, right? Where you said, okay, I'm about to get a lawyer now because I keep telling y'all I don't have shit to say and y'all keep harassing me and my family, but I'll be there at 9:30. You remember that?
Yes.
All right. So.
All right, hold on. She had to send a text. She had to send them a text. They was harassing her so much. She said, "Damn it, fuck it, I'm gonna have to just get a lawyer on y'all motherfucking neck. Y'all, I don't remember that shit. Leave me alone. Leave me the fuck alone." This is incredible right here. The state out of order, man. The state is out of order.
We moved from November, and you're talking to the DA's office, right?
Yes.
And by the time February rolls around, right, about 2 months ago, you're still telling them, listen, I don't have anything to say. I don't have any information for you. Isn't that true?
Yes.
Free Young Thug.
Let's get Hamilton. At some point, you start having some conversations with Investigator Hamilton. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. States Exhibit 34 Alpha Alpha, please.
We're going to speed this up a little more.
This
This should take us too damn long.
I need a screen for me, please. Now, whether you knew him as a investigator or an attorney, what you knew for a fact was that Hamilton worked with the DA's office. True?
Yes. I thought he was a attorney. I wasn't sure what he was.
Okay. But I mean, certainly you knew that he was calling you and asking you questions and interacting with you on behalf of the district attorney's office. Is that right?
Yes.
And there were times where you would have conversations with him.
All right, so Hamilton, she thought he was an attorney. He called and interacting with her. What were those interactions? Let's see.
By phone, right?
Yes.
I mean, actually talking on the phone, correct?
Yes.
There were times when there'd be text messages exchanged, correct?
Yes.
And in regards to your testimony, your testifying, right? Would you agree that your manner of testifying, the way you feel about testifying, has something to do with the way the district attorney's office dealt with you?
Objection, babe.
I understand the question.
You know, this damn judge, bro, I ain't gonna hold you. Glenville, this man sustains all of the prosecution's objections and overrules and has gone as, I mean, you got multiple standing objections right now from the defense team. Brian Steele and this brother here, I think this is Mr. Adams, they're doing a hell of a job for Thug. And the judge, it's just hard to watch, man. It's hard to watch this judge the way he acting right now. He out of order. He all the way out of order. Let's keep going on. Let's see what we got.
Yes, sir. Well, certainly you had conversations with Hamilton, right?
Yes.
Now, is it fair to say that although we saw some, and we'll talk about it in a bit, some text messages that were put up on the screen, right? They don't capture all of the interaction between you and Hamilton, right?
No.
Now, were you imagining it when you said that you thought that Investigator Hamilton was acting like he wanted to date you?
Objection, Your Honor. Form of the question.
That's the same question. Yes, sir. Let me pause on Hamilton for a second. I want to go back and ask you something about Ms. Love and your conversations with her. You remember that you'll ask questions about.
Did y'all see the brilliance in that? He said, "Okay. You got me on objection for Hamilton. You got me there. You got me on objection there. But if I keep going down there, you're gonna keep objecting. You're gonna mess my you're gonna get me out of rhythm. You feel me? You're gonna get me out of rhythm. And so instead of me allowing you to get me out of rhythm, guess what I'm gonna do? Let me rephrase. Let me go somewhere else, and then I'll come back to that. Watch how this. And this brother is brilliant. Shout out to this brother, Mr. Adams. Him and Steele, they've been doing a hell of a job. I also think that I believe it's Yak Gotti. I believe it's him and Mr. Steelwell. I think Shannon Steelwell. I think all their attorneys in unison have been doing a hell of a job representing them. The only one that's been struggling is the public defender for Lil D. And shit, Lil D already got life in jail. I don't even know why they even got him in this shit. I don't even know. Let free Lil D, man. Free Lil D, man. He ain't gonna be free anyway. So damn all that, man. Let's keep going. Let's keep going.
Whether or not you were comfortable talking about this incident. Ms. Love, you remember those questions?
Yes.
You remember that you said she made you uncomfortable, correct?
Yes.
So Ms. Love make her uncomfortable.
Like you wanted to harm yourself, true?
Yes.
Now, do you remember testifying?
Miss Love is making the damn defendant, individual who is supposed that the state wants to testify. Miss Love, that's with the state, is making her want to harm herself. That's a damn shame, man. What kind of pressure you trying to put on these folks to make them testify? And we're gonna get into it. I want to finish this. This is gonna be an hour video probably, but I'm gonna finish with her soon, and then we got to get into this other testimony because this is ridiculous.
Find that at some point, there was some conversation you had with her about her quote, getting you some counseling or getting you some help or something like that.
Yes.
Did you ever perceive that the counseling that you thought she was referring to was her locking you up to bring you here to testify? Did you ever think that was going to happen?
No.
Ain't that something right there? What he just said. So you supposed to be trying to help me, right? You supposed to be trying to help me. You telling me that, damn, you're gonna help me you're gonna give me some help. That. But then when I don't agree with you, you lock me up and make me testify. You put me in jail. You put a warrant out on me to make me testify. Is that how bad you got to prove your case? Let's keep going. I want to get to this other testimony. I'm gonna probably fast forward through probably the most. I mean, listen, the state, you had Miss Love pressuring this lady. You had Hamilton trying to sleep with her. You know what I'm saying? He was trying to bust her down. It is what it is. It is what it is. That's what was going on. But you know, I mean, that's what was happening. That's what was happening. So we're gonna fast forward a little bit. Well, let me see what we can get out of this.
Same question. Did they lock you up though, didn't they?
Yes.
he said, they locked you up, didn't they?
You told them, look, I don't have anything to say. I don't remember anything about this, right?
Yes.
That's the same question.
Hey, that was brilliant. He said, hold on, I want to replay that. I want to replay that real quick. Listen to this. Listen to what he said. After her testimony, and they object, right? They object. We go play it through.
Exchange, correct?
Yes.
And in regards to your testimony, your testifying, right? Would you agree that your manner of testifying, the way you feel about testifying, has something to do with the way the district attorney's office dealt with you?
Objection made.
That's the same question. You can rephrase, sir. Yes, sir. Well, certainly you had conversations with Hamilton, right?
Yes.
Now, is it fair to say that although we saw some, and we'll talk about it in a bit, some text messages that were put up on the screen, right? They don't capture all of the interaction between you and Hamilton, right?
No.
Now, were you imagining it when you said that you thought that investigator Hamilton was acting like he wanted to date you?
Objection, Your Honor. Form of the question.
That's the same question.
He sustained all the damn defense. I mean, the state questions.
In your conversation with her.
Listen, Adam, one more time. Listen,
investigator Hamilton was acting like he wanted to date you?
Objection, Your Honor. Form of the question.
That's the same question.
All right.
You can rephrase it. Yes, sir. Let me pause on Hamilton for a second. I want to go back and ask you something about Ms. Love in your conversation with her.
Let me pause on him.
You asked questions about whether or not you were comfortable talking about this incident. Ms. Love, you remember those
True.
questions?
Yes.
You remember that you said she made you uncomfortable, correct?
Yes.
She made you feel in your conversations with her like you wanted to harm yourself, true?
Yes.
Now, do you remember testifying that at some point there was some conversation you had with her about her, quote, getting you some counseling or getting you some help or something like that?
Yes.
Did you ever perceive that the counseling that you thought she was referring to was her locking you up to bring you here to testify? Did you ever think that was going to happen?
Objection, Your Honor.
No.
Form of the question.
That's the same question. Did it lock you up, though, didn't it?
Yes.
So that you could come and testify? Even though you told them, look, I don't have anything to say, I don't remember anything about this, right?
Yes.
That's the same question.
Bro, did y'all see how he did that? Did y'all see he just did that? Oh, I got tears about it. Did y'all see how he just did that? They did lock you up though, didn't they? Yes. but they really want to get you help. No, they want to get you help as long as you was gonna say what they wanted you to say. That's it. The state is dirty, bro. Let's rewind it one last time. But the state is dirty.
Did it lock you up though, didn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, they locked
So
you
that you could come here
up.
and testify, right?
Yes.
Even though you told them, look, I don't have anything to say, I don't remember anything about this, right?
Yes.
That's the same question.
He's showing, and this is the other thing. The district attorney's office, they've been bringing evidence in so late, it's ridiculous.
Now,
It's ridiculous.
So you would agree with me that you were talking to this Mr. Hamilton about the same time that you were sending those text messages going back and forth that we saw earlier in early February. Is that about right?
Free thug.
So I want you to do me a favor. Look to your left, right? And I'll reference the screen up top. Now you recognize these as text messages between you and this investigator Hamilton, right?
Yes.
Now, in that first text message where he says, GM. Now GM is good morning, right?
Yes.
Good morning, Mama.
How they call him mama?
How he would communicate with you, how he would address you?
Objection, page.
I stand the question.
Did he address you as Mama on more than one occasion?
Yes.
And if you can go down a bit to the bottom of that page. All right. So on Wednesday, February 7th, at about 5:48 p.m., he sent you a text message, this investigator for the DA's office, saying, call me one more time, then I'm out your here for the night. You remember that?
Yes.
Now, how about the next one? That same night, Wednesday, February 7th, 6:45 p.m., where he says, hit me up if you're bored later. We're not going to talk shop. Remember that text message?
Yes.
Did you talk to him later on?
Yes.
Brother's trying to get it in. Brother was trying to get it in. He was trying to get it in.
Going out.
Going out? Going out and walking out the door or going out on a date?
A day.
And this is February 7th.
Brother was trying to get it
The
in.
investigator for the DA's office is supposed to be talking to you about a case, but in fact, it's calling talking to you about going out on a date. Is that true?
Yes.
Look at Bob. Look at Bob. Look at Bob. Chilling.
Employee of the district attorney's office was trying to date you. Come into your mind as you're thinking about whether you are coming in and testify or not.
Yes.
All right, man. That's enough. That's enough of that, man. Listen, all we see is, look, you got corruption in the DA's office. We already know Fannie, she done been corrupt. Now you got niggas trying to sleep with the witnesses. Yeah, I mean, you know, niggas gonna be niggas, so it is what it is. But I mean, it just, you got the DA, you got them pressing her to testify, trying to show her love and all this, butter her up so she will testify. And then when she says she don't want to testify, they lock her ass up. I was like, God, this is crazy. But this is how the state is. This is how the state is. And you gotta remember where we at. We in Georgia, man. Niggas wild out here. Let's see where we going with this one, man. We're gonna fast forward a little bit and see what we got next. Let's see what we got.
Yes.
Okay, and would you agree with me that, just look all through it, there are 2 telephone calls, and if you need to look through the rest of the exhibit, feel free to do so, on February the 7th, 2024. And that one is an incoming call at 6:02 p.m. Incoming to you, outgoing from Lieutenant Hamilton. That lasted 3 seconds. Would you agree with me?
This not indicating whether the incoming or the outgoing is neither here. I don't understand this like a text message.
All right. You have both of your phones in your possession, correct?
No.
Where are they?
I don't have them.
I'm asking you where they are.
Oh, my phone. I just have one of them right now.
Okay. Where's the other phone?
Broke.
What?
Broken.
So when you say broken, what do you mean? Help me understand that.
It's cracked.
So why did you need to get a new number for the cracked phone?
Why did I need to get a new number for the cracked phone?
Yes, ma'am.
When my phone was broken, I couldn't receive calls, send out calls, so I had to get another phone.
Okay, so you don't have a plan, or is it, why did you have to get a whole other phone for a cracked?
No, I have a plan on it.
So did anyone ask you to look through either of your phones to look at the messages or the times from that you received or made calls to Lieutenant Hamilton?
No, you just showed me that.
Okay. And you agree with me that the only 2 calls reflected on this call log are a call at 6:02 p.m. going out from the phone that gave this call log, and a call at 6:22 p.m. coming in from your number.
All right, so the state is literally just trying to make the argument that, well, she lying, and this is the state witness. You know the craziest thing about this whole trial? All the state has been doing is putting folks on the stand and then discrediting them people. I'm like, okay. All right, so if you're discrediting your own witness, am I supposed to believe them? I don't even know no more. The state, they're doing a horrible job. They're doing this trial is a waste of time. But I want to get to my guy, man. My guy, I think his name is D'Angelo, man. D'Angelo White. And he do a hell of a job testifying. I think let's see if this is him. Let's see if we can get him in here, man. He do a hell of a job testifying. He had me dying. I'd be crying listening to him. Let's see what we can do.
Please.
All right, here we go. So they're bringing the jury in. I had it sped up. Yeah, it's sped up. We'll fast forward.
My first name is LaShantis, LaShantiise. Last name Porter, Port. I was department for 17 years.
And can you explain?
Atlanta Police Department.
You tell the jury where you are currently employed.
I am the crime scene unit manager at the Atlanta Police Department.
Does
Who is
To make
this?
sure
I don't even want to hear from her. She born.
I started as an office support assistant and I worked in the personnel unit.
what did you do after that?
I went to
Or a residence.
We don't want to hear none of that shit. She ain't got that. She don't know shit about nothing anyways. We got to get to the good testimony, man. They suck it. They have the worst audio. Like, their audio sucks. All right, let's.
And do they have to depict what's described?
You're not going to try and introduce him at this time. Is that correct?
Statement means that there is an issue regarding lawyers' interviews of Mr. White.
Who's Mr. White?
One of our witnesses.
Who's
said
Mr. White? Here we go.
get a production order for
All right, now we got to get Mr. White in here. That's what we've been waiting for.
Montgomery at the time.
You got it.
was fired
With
on
these people,
and shot. He was one
they
of the
take
victims in
forever
this particular
to
act
bring
regarding
folks in.
Montgomery.
All
So
right,
I don't
here
know what we'll be calling on what the state's witnesses. I'm not certain what that means. Mr. Steele, of course, can call on whomever he wants at the time. If he chooses to put up anything. But I'm not certain what these words mean. The state is always pursuant to 24-6-622 able to inquire into a witness's feelings towards and relationships to parties. As courts aware, it may always be proof for the consideration of the jury.
We can't. I like some of the people on the state. I just don't like Miss Love. Miss Love is horrible, man. My
It's
God,
just the reality of it. They
she
interviewed him.
really pisses me off.
We know that they interviewed him. The witness made some comments.
She
There's
just
no evidence.
talks and
There's comments
talks and
that was made.
talks
Witnesses
and
that does not preclude the
talks
state
and
from
talks.
inquiring or making
Look at,
any,
listen.
statements that the witness made or testimony.
Look at what she's
give,
doing. She's
that
literally
somehow
just talking right
affected by
now.
the feelings or relationships towards the
But
defendants in this case.
I'm
And
just
towards
gonna
someone that
overtalk
he
everybody.
represents, one of the defendants in this case. Certainly, if the witness has some kind of bias, the state is entitled to explore that, as is the defense. If the
30
has
minutes
bias,
later.
Towards the state or against any of the defendants. I'm not certain what.
And the judge never stops
This
her.
particular witness is asking the
He
court to
never
do,
stops her.
but
She
I
just
know
let her
to
rant
curtail the
and
state's ability
rant
or anyone's ability to inquire
and
into
talk
bias or
and talk.
feelings that any witness has towards a party or anyone with whom they
My
interacted
God.
in this case as it relates to.
She's
the
still
witness or the
talking.
state.
All right, Mr. Steele, Mr. White is not mentioned in either your motion 45 or 46 motions in limine. Where is he coming from?
That was an email that the district attorney sent to the court and the parties saying that Mr. White made statements that I as well as other people interviewed him that he found it weird, found me weird. I was asking questions about Walter Murphy, and I know that Walter Murphy is close to Jeffrey Williams, and if the state wants to introduce that, there's other information I'd like to take immediately. Throughout the state's presentation, evidence, put up other information immediately.
Walter Murphy is DK. Walter Murphy is DK. Yeah, I know DK done shot at every damn buddy.
And I think that it would be zero.
That nigga does not care.
Zero to relationship, it would just be a comment by the.
I say that respectfully.
For another 6 months, and that's just appropriate.
But Walter Murphy does not give a damn. He gonna shoot. He'll shoot the shit out your ass.
You're on a state with the burden of proof. The defendant had no burden of proof.
You don't have to present anything, Mr. Steele, so I would probably.
And then be in the crime.
Because at this
All
point.
right. We're gonna go to the next day. We're gonna go to
I
the
would not
next
permit you
day.
to call witnesses in this case in chief.
Let me see. I'm gonna fast forward through this one. The reason I want to fast forward because I believe this is the first day that the witness. No, it gotta be tomorrow. Let's go ahead.
Your Honor, that's,
We'll go ahead and stop this one right here. We'll go ahead and close that out. You know what I'm saying? And we'll move forward. But first things first, I'm just saying, Walter Murphy, hey, DK will shoot the shit out your ass. Woody, little Woody will shoot the shit out your ass, man. I'm just telling you. Hey, but this is the thing. I know niggas who will shoot. Well, am I a shooter? Absolutely not. Nope, not even close to a shooter. Nope, that ain't my role in life. Never has been my role, never will be my role. I would defend my family, but I'm not out there. I don't live that lifestyle. Do I know niggas who live that lifestyle? Absolutely. Absolutely. Just because I know them and we grew up together and we hung out together and I called them and we went out when we was, does that make me a part of a conspiracy? Is that what This is crazy. This is crazy, but I love it. I love it. We're going to go to the next one, though. I think this is the right video right here. I think this is the right video. Let me pull this up. And we got you, bro. We got you. Hold on. Let me pull this up and make sure I can get the right testimony in here. You know what I'm saying? Because this is going to be interesting. This one right here is interesting. Okay. And this goes into one of my favorite testimonies of all time. If you ever knew a real nigga in the streets, bro, you know you just know a real nigga in the streets. I'm about to bring a real nigga from the streets up on testimony. I believe it starts somewhere around here. And so let's see. Is the white boy still? We're gonna test it out first. Let's see. All right, here we go. Yeah, I know. Oh, this is cross. This is cross testimony. We ain't worried about the cross.
Update as
at the far right it says C.
No harm in asking.
I'm going to approach with what's been marked.
Question, okay?
Ms. Wright, why do you not want
What you guys are doing?
You don't have nothing to do.
as three Rob?
All right, here we go. Right here.
Do you guess or do you not?
All right, 654 Bravo.
All right, this is where we're gonna start. This is where we're gonna start right here. This is fantastic. One of the best testimonies I've ever seen in my life. So the prosecution is out of order, showing pictures of blood and shit that they shouldn't be showing yet. All right, we fast forward. All right, here we go right here. And I want y'all to remember, we got my brother
Yes.
D'Angelo White.
Is like if you were meeting with the cameraman, right? Like that took it. What road is that the cameraman was kind of sitting in the middle of that took his photo?
Listen to this.
Brownsville or Jonesboro? Like the road on the bottom of that photo.
You know what I'm saying? Like, why is I'm here?
This way?
This is not my case. I got nothing. I don't know why I'm even here, man. You feel me?
I understand you, sir. I just gonna ask you some questions. Do you know what that road is on the bottom of 54 Bravo, sir?
I don't need people to be here. Why is I'm here?
Hold on. This is how you know you're dealing with a real nigga out here. You just dealing with country, street country niggas, man. This is what you dealing with. Man, look, I already got a case. Look, I'm in jail right now. I done did 7 years in jail. I got 3 left. All I'm trying to do is make it through and get the hell on. That's it. Why am I here right now? What do you want me to say? I don't know. I don't remember. I don't recall. Just think about it. With you. Free thug, man. Free thug. That's all I'm saying. Free thug.
Right? I just wanted to ask you, do you know what that street is on the bottom that's in that photograph before you and on the screen to your left?
What they got to do with me?
I'm just asking you, do you know the street, sir?
What they got to do with me?
I don't even supposed to be here. I
Oh,
just keep asking you the same thing. Like,
ain't even supposed to be here. Why am I here?
Ms. White, do you know that street on the bottom of 54 Bravo Bravo?
yeah, but what it got to do with me?
What street is it?
You see what it say? It say John Boy Road.
Hold on. That nigga said, you see what it say? It say Jonesboro Road. Nigga, what the fuck this shit got to do with me? It ain't got a goddamn thing to do with me. Why am I here? Why am I here? You pulled me up. Let's listen to my brother. Hey, this is what you know, nigga. Nah, the crazy thing is, the nigga had already made statements way back in the day. So that's why the prosecution got him there. They got him there so they can try to bring his statements into evidence. But the man, look, why am I even here right now?
What you see where, you know, you go to a gas pump, they'll have the neon lights with the price of gas. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, what about it?
You see
What
that
about
red and green neon light kind of in the back of this photograph?
Yeah.
What's that road that I say perpendicular from the Jonesboro Road we just talked about?
I don't know.
Is it Brown?
Don't nobody know shit in this trial. Don't nobody know
Guess?
shit.
Do you guess or do you know?
I don't know.
Now,
Motherfuckers don't know a goddamn thing in this trial, y'all. Nobody does. Nobody. Everybody. But you know what? My thing is this though. Man, look, Thug came up in the hood. You grew up with hood niggas. You know niggas who gonna do shit that they ain't done.
a couple things. Like,
Did you catch me doing some shit? That's it. Did you catch me? I wasn't doing it, so how you gonna blame me for what they doing? That's what they trying to do to Thug right now. They trying to blame him for what the folk he grew up with were doing. It's a damn shame. That's a damn shame. This is a damn shame right here.
Your Honor, I'm going to show defense counsel what is 63 Bravo Bravo through 71 Bravo Bravo.
Now they bringing in, look. Now the prosecution, they bringing in new evidence. Like they always start doing. They bring in this new shit at the end of the damn time. Let's see what happens next.
Mr. White, starting with 63 Bravo Bravo, do you recognize that?
What Mr. White say?
Look like it's a John Boy Road.
Do you see that sicko, or are you familiar with what's depicted in that? From growing up in the neighborhood.
Keep asking me the same question.
You keep asking me the same shit, bro.
Just asking you, are you familiar with that? Where you grew up, Mr. White?
And it's a sicko.
Is it a fair and accurate depiction of how that sicko Jonesboro Road area looked when you were growing up?
If it's still the same, I've been gone 7 years. It's still the same.
Was it before, was 2015 before you went to prison?
If it look like that.
If it look like that. I think said if it look like that.
Any objection to say 63 Bravo Bravo? Any counsels? All right, hearing none. 63 Bravo Bravo is admitted, may be published as you see fit.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's move forward.
Publishing 63 Bravo Bravo. Sir, is this the Jonesboro Road we were just discussing?
Yeah.
And
bro, they be asking the dumbest questions, you know.
On the right in that photograph.
Yeah.
Now, I'm going to show you 64 Bravo Bravo. Do you recognize 64 Bravo Bravo?
Why is I'm here, man?
Why is I'm here? Why is I'm here? Why is I'm here?
I don't pole to be here.
I ain't supposed to be here.
Do you recognize 64 Bravo Bravo, sir?
I don't pole to be here. I pole to be in Chain Gang prison.
I don't supposed to be here. I'm supposed to be in Chain Gang prison. I don't even know.
Me, you don't even know I'm here.
Shout out to the real ones. This shit ain't got nothing to do with me. Why am I fucking here right now?
Testify. This ain't got nothing to do with me.
Hold on, Mr. White, 1 second. I'm gonna overrule your objection, Mr. Matthews. Asked and answered was his objection, and I've overruled it. So you can answer the question, sir. Council's question, okay?
Mr. Wright, why do you not want to talk here?
Because this don't have nothing to do with me. This is not my case. I'm already doing a 10-year bid that I'm doing 2 armed robberies and a hijack. This don't have nothing to do with me.
I understand that, Mr. White. Specifically, just with that photograph, do you recognize the roadway in 64 Bravo Bravo?
No.
Have you ever looked at that photograph before and recognized it?
No. I don't supposed to be here. I'm just gonna keep telling y'all that.
And they man keep telling you I'm not supposed to be here. I don't even know why y'all got me here. Why am I here right now? What do you want from me?
No.
I don't know nothing about this shit.
Aren't familiar with it?
No.
All right, Mr. White. I'm going to show you 65 Bravo Bravo. Have you ever seen 65 Bravo Bravo before?
With all due respect, man, I'm ready to go back to prison.
He said, with all due respect, just send me back to prison, man. Just put me back in jail. That's it. I think he said, just send me back to prison, bro.
Mr. White, I understand that. I'm asking you, do you recognize 65 Bravo Bravo?
What do they got to do with me? D'Angelo White, what they got to do with me?
Bravo Bravo, just tell me if you recognize it.
Hey, man, this ain't got nothing to do with me. I'm ready to go back to prison.
I understand that, Mr. White. I'm just asking you to just take a look at that photograph and just let me know if you recognize it.
You disturb me. I don't supposed to be here. I'm just trying to finish my 36 months off of 10 years and go home. Feel me? I don't supposed to be here.
I understand that, sir. I'm just asking you, do you recognize the roadways in 65 Bravo Bravo? Regardless if you want to be here, do you recognize it?
So you gonna force me to be here? Y'all gonna force me to be here?
Now that you're here, Mr. White, I'm just asking you.
This is back-to-back witnesses, right? They're literally forcing people to be there who don't want to be there, who ain't saying nothing about nothing. I understand why they want him there. I understand it. They want to introduce his whatever videos or statements that he and all that kind of shit. I understand that. I'm just saying, bro. The state is literally, I mean, this is just out of control, man. The craziest thing is the shooting that they're talking about, right? This is when whatever, and I say it respectfully, whatever the brother's name is, he gets shot, you know what I'm saying, in the head and shit. And Mr. D'Angelo White, it seemed like he was the one who called the police or called the ambulance and everything for him. Okay, fine. I'm not saying none of that didn't happen. He, according to him, somebody else was using his phone, but then he said he ran and called his sister to come pick him up. I'm like, well, how you call your sister if you ran? And you, anyway, I don't know. I don't know what happened. All I know is this man don't want to be there, and he not giving any relevant information to how Young Thug is associated with any of this shit. He's not associated with any of this. You know, this is one of them situations, I gotta say it. Was Thug And it's interesting when you listen to other people's testimony. We're going to be playing those testimonies, but it's interesting when you listen to it. Thug, he sit there and tell you, get what? Oh, excuse me, not the tick / slug, and then DK, right? And even Little Woody, when they all get on the stand and testify, you know one thing what they say? They always say Thug was trying to make us stop doing that bullshit. That's what they say. I'm not saying that's what they say about Thug. He was trying to make them stop doing that bullshit. And they kept doing it. All right, let's keep going.
I don't supposed to be here, man. I'm ready to go back to prison. Keep telling me all that.
Your Honor, may I approach briefly?
Objection. Uh-oh, hold on. They don't, here we go.
Bravo. About and crucial. Do you remember that, sir?
No.
Do you remember
why is this man a witness?
For escape photograph that we showed you, my investigator?
I know why he's a witness, but
only way I remember because you showed it to me, yeah.
But when I showed it to you, do you remember talking about that vehicle?
No.
All right, we're gonna move forward, man. All right, let's get something relevant in here, and it's crazy because let's get something interesting.
Who got shot? Neil was driving, right? Who was in the passenger seat? And now, I'm gonna show you two. States Exhibit 5.
These dudes got to do with me.
Do you recognize any of those photographs, Mr. White?
What do these dudes got to do with me?
Were they?
What the fuck?
Real niggas, bro. This is a real nigga right here. This is real nigga shit.
Do with me, man.
I understand that, Mr. White. I'm just asking if you recognize them.
And then this ain't got nothing to do with me.
This ain't got nothing to do with me.
I understand that, Mr. White.
You ain't understanding me.
You're not listening to me, bro.
Recognize the gentleman.
You're not listening.
What do these dudes got to do with D'Angelo White? They ain't got nothing to do with me.
Mr. White, I'm just asking you, do you recognize the people in the photograph?
What?
All right, and this is how it goes for the locust. I'm just saying, why is the state putting these people on the stand? This is the state. It's not like, and I understand why they put them on the stand. You got to put them on the stand to have their phone calls and those type of things. You got to put them on the stand for that to be admitted. I got it. Why are you putting these folks on the damn stand? This had nothing to do with nothing. Only thing that we get from this is that it was a shooting. This man had a gun. This man ran. What? It's nothing relevant. Nothing relevant to the quote unquote. How is this helping further the YSL game? How is this helping anything? This is the most ridiculous case I've ever seen. My God, these people are out of order. Let me see. Do I have time? I got time, man. I'm gonna run one more, man. I want to run. What did I say? I said I was gonna do 55. Hell, I'm already on 56. I want to run 57 real quick because I get the rest of his testimony, and I mean it's absolutely. And I think this is the one I gotta play. Brian Steele. Brian Steele has really been rocking out as far as as far as this trial goes. You know what I'm saying? Brian Steele has really been putting on, showing out, and it's interesting. So here we go. Let me see. We're gonna start here. Let me pull this up. We're gonna finish Mr. White testimony. This is some of the funniest fucking testimony I've ever seen. Why? As a resident of the sport, I said the sport. As a resident of the state of Georgia, the majority of the time, if you defer your cases and those type of things, they end up with the state, and the state is Fulton County, right? The capital. And so the majority of the time, if you defer your cases, that's where they end up at. These are the same people in this damn prosecution right here against Young Thug. I don't even know if I want to take my shit up there because as corrupt as they is right there, now they don't want nobody. Look, I ain't big time. I'm small time. So anytime I ever had a case, it might be a traffic ticket. That's it. I ain't never had no big in a case like this. So they always willing to settle with me. Y'all know what it is. All right, here we go. We finna have Thug in here, man. Or excuse me, Mr. White. We're gonna finish his testimony. Mr. White ain't a damn fool, and the state really it ain't even Mr. White. The state is acting a fool. They shouldn't even have that man on the damn stand, and they still got him up there. But you know, it is what it is. Let's finish the testimony. Let's finish this up. And once again, when we come back, what happens? They don't have no damn audio, ragged ass. Anyway, this courtroom is a damn disgrace. What they got going on. Here we go. Glanville, he out of order.
Nah, you holding me against my own will.
This nigga said you holding me against my will.
What's been marked as 73 Bravo. I'm gonna ask you to take a look at it.
You all seen 73 Bravo defense counsels? I have now. Okay, all right.
So Mr. White, I'm showing you the first page of 73 Bravo. I'm showing you the second page of 73 Bravo. And I'm showing you page 3 of Bravo. You see, is that your signature, Mr. White?
Man, I say my first and last name. I mean, but that could have been anybody's signature.
So it is your first and last name, but you're saying it's not your signature. You're on page 3 on the far right, top left photograph.
Not my signature.
Okay. Now, Mr. White, also.
This man is up there saying, y'all showing me shit, and this is not my signature. Somebody done forged my shit, according to Mr. White.
I'll show you the last page, which is page 6. You see this photograph, the bottom left, that circle. Is that the same initials that we just saw a second ago, Mr. White?
Them are like two different signatures.
Is that the same initials as your name, DW?
Of course, my name is DW, but I don't mean I did that.
Okay, so you didn't sign or initial either of those pages in 73 Bravo.
No.
Okay, thank you, Mr. White. Now, do you know many people or anyone else that has a D and a K tattoo between the eyebrows other than Walter Murphy?
But I don't even know Walter Murphy. Why you keep trying to make me know something?
Mr. White, would you agree that some of them have, is that tattoo unique?
The man just said, I do not even know Walter Murphy. If y'all don't know Walter Murphy is DK. I don't know who this man is. I have no clue who Walter Murphy is. Why are you trying to make me know this man?
2 letters between your eyebrows? Is that unique?
Means a million people in the world.
Have you ever seen anyone that has D and a K between the eyebrows?
No.
When Lieutenant Oliphant and I met you in Fulton County Jail, you said that Walter Murphy you knew, correct?
Okay, same day you keep saying you met me at Fulton County, right?
Right.
I told you I didn't know Walter Murphy. You saying I know Walter Murphy, but the same day you met me is the same dude. An hour before you met me, the bald head dude back there. Told him I don't know Walter Murphy.
And this like you said.
This nigga just said, the same day I met you, you told me I knew Walter Murphy. I told you I didn't know Walter Murphy. And I told the bald head dude back there, I didn't know Walter Murphy. Why are you trying to make me know Walter Murphy? Now, I want to say this. I'm gonna just be honest. He absolutely knows Walter Murphy. I know he knows Walter Murphy. He absolutely knows Walter Murphy. I'm just gonna be honest. I'm gonna be honest. All these niggas know each other. The thing is with him, he a little younger. You know what I'm saying? D'Angelo Smith, he a little younger than everybody. Or D'Angelo White, he a little younger than everybody. They 32, 33, 34, 35. He 27. So He a little younger, but he know all them niggas. He grew up in the neighborhood over there, just like they did. All right, here we go.
Cross fingers, right?
You said it.
And Mr. White, when you go like this, like you did being tell Old County Jail, this means someone's tight, right? Someone's close, cross your fingers.
I guess it is what you want to do.
Have you ever seen someone ever put your fingers crossed like this saying that two people are friends? Have you ever done that, Mr. White?
No, because I don't do that.
You remember sitting in the library in Old County Jail and sitting Old hour around the table?
Yeah, you was asking me something. I told you I didn't know.
And I asked you, you've done a whole part right there. Did you grow up in Cleveland? On Old Hayfield, did you know anyone from that area? And you said you Walter Murphy, right?
I don't know Walter Murphy.
And Mr. White, you also said that you don't think that Walter Murphy realized you were in the car the day that the shooting happened because you and him are actually cool with one another, right?
I don't even know him. Walter Murphy sounds like a white person.
And you also said that.
He said Walter Murphy sound like a white person. I don't know the white. I don't know no fucking white people. That's what he just said. I didn't say it. And I say that respectful to white folks. I ain't got no problem with y'all. I love y'all. But this is what he just said. Walter Murphy sound like a white person. Walter Murphy is DK, and DK, but when he get on the damn stand, that's a good lord. These people told on each other so much, it's crazy. The problem is everything that they told on each other about, they still was never really implicated Thug into any real crimes. No real crime did they implicate the man into. And this is why the RICO case is ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Let's finish this up.
You ran into Walter Murphy, you made on this DK, in the Fulton County Jail after the shooting, and there was no problems between you all, right?
How much these folk paying you to try to make it seem like I know these people?
Mr. White.
That nigga said, how much are they paying you to make it seem like I know these folk? How much are you get paid for this? How much you get paid to lie on me like this, bro?
You did not say that you saw Walter Murphy in the Fulton County Jail after the 12 from 15 shooting. Is that testimony you're saying?
I didn't been to prison. This is my second time in prison, so I ran into a lot of people. So I ain't tell you I know Walter Murphy.
So, Mr. White, remember yesterday I asked you, remember a phone conversation you had on July 13, 2015 with the Atlanta Police Department Detective Dix. You remember that, right?
No.
Now, on that call, you explained to him what happened to Pooh that night, didn't you?
I was in prison in July. Man, I did 2 years in prison, man. I was probation violation. I got out 10/17/17.
Mr. White, when you talked to Detective Dix on the phone, you told him what happened that night to Pooh, didn't you?
No, did you?
Now, let's be honest. And they're going to end up playing the video, but he was up there telling, like, he told everything about the nigga had, he talking about he left his phone, they got him on the 911 call, and he was like, yeah, this D'Angelo. And then they got him on, what else they got him on? They got him on something else, man, but, he was snitching and, you know, I mean, I don't think he was a part of the gang. And like I said, because he was younger, I don't know if he was really in it like that. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, the nigga was out there telling. He was out there telling too. Everybody was out there telling. The problem is, even though they were telling, it never implicate Thug. And this doesn't mean just because, like this ain't. When you're going with a RICO case, bro, you making it seem like this some organized crime. This shit is not organized crime. This is unorganized crime at its best. That's what it is, unorganized crime. And so, I mean, that's all I can say. Well, let's finish this.
Ms. White, you told Detective Dennis that OG Bentley and his partner walked in the store, so my partner got out of the car, he was fixing to go in the store, but the girl was talking to him about how they felt you were on their tail, correct? That's what you told Detective Dennis?
Incorrect.
Mr. White, you also told Detective Dennis, and so when OG Bentley's partner came out of the store, he seen my partner and the girl talking, and so he felt.
All right, so we heard this, man. They trying to put somebody there who wasn't there, or the man was there, but I mean, still, he ain't trying to be up there being a snitch. That's all it is. He just ain't trying to snitch. So let's move forward. We're gonna move forward. Let's see, what day is this? This day 47. I think this is the day that DK take the stand. Let me see. 57.
You lying, they lying. I ain't got nothing to do with it.
Hold on. Listen to this. This funny though.
Mr. Stillwell, is that fine, sir? Okay, all right, thank you. All right, seminar jurors, please, sir. I'm turn it on.
All right, you may continue, counsel.
Thank you. Saying, well, help me out, man. That's what you said, that kid, right? Right?
I ain't even talking no data.
And this right, you eventually directed Detective to the intersection of Browns Mill Road and Harbor Road, right?
How did I do that if I ain't meeting nobody?
And the reason that you took it to that intersection was because that was where the car you were riding in was at when who was shot, right?
If that's what you want to say.
And while you were in the car, this right, you used as a reference point. Two people were outside. You say, you see those two people standing? They was right there. They stopped at the stop sign. They came all the way down this long ass street where there's no stop sign at all. And they shot right here. Boom, boom, boom. That's what you said, right?
I don't even know who you're talking about.
And this right, you told the detectives that you all stopped at a stop sign. The shooters were coming a long way down Browns Mill Road, right?
What shooters? What are you talking about?
In the white Dodge Nitro that you talked about with the detectives, right?
I was gone.
And Ms. White, Detective Dennis asked you if they cut you all off, and if they knew where you all were from, you told them yes, that they cut you off, right?
Who cut me off?
The white Dodge Nitro, the blue Ford Escape that you were in, right?
You might be crazy or something.
And Detective asked you again if you're doing the right thing, you say yes, right?
Left.
And by doing the right thing,
That nigga said left. That nigga said left.
who was involved who get shot, right?
These don't have nothing to do with me. Why would I be telling anybody anything? Do I look like on the police?
Ms. White, I'm asking.
This nigga said, do I look like I'm the police? Hey, man, with that, man, I'm going to finish it with this one, but listen, I just got to say it. This trial is going nowhere fast. You're wasting the people's time. Listen, yes, did you have individual doing bullshit? Absolutely. Absolutely. Niggas out there doing all type of reckless shit. Was it in furtherance of a gang? No. You just had niggas out there trying to make money. Hood nigga being hood nigga who want to be hood niggas. Niggas who want to make their name out there. All the other shit, man, stop it. Y'all capping on it, but hey, man, hey, shout out to everybody, man. Another premiere for me, and I appreciate it, man. If you're checking it out, y'all make sure y'all hit the like button. We got to go ahead and shut it down the right way, but yeah, like I said, man, we're going to keep doing these reactions, and we're going to start doing, I'll be scared to do boxing reactions because I got to figure out where I won't get flagged for having the videos up. So I got to figure that out. So, but we're going to start doing boxing reactions very soon. You know what I'm saying? Much love and respect. I appreciate y'all coming through. And just know when y'all over here, y'all rocking with the right side, man. Salute.
And so, my fellow Americans, ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country.
And we shall overcome.
Impromptu celebrations erupted outside the White House.
The very word secrecy is repugnant in a free and open society. And we are, as a people, inherently and historically opposed to secret societies, to secret oaths, and to secret proceedings. For we are opposed around the world by a monolithic and ruthless conspiracy that relies primarily on covert means for expanding its sphere of influence